The Arctic is a world of snow and ice, a landscape sculpted by extreme cold. The region is characterized by vast stretches of frozen ocean known as sea ice. This sea ice is a dynamic environment, constantly shifting and changing with the seasons. It is on this frozen platform that the polar bear makes its living. The Arctic experiences extreme temperature variations, with long, dark winters and short, cool summers. During the winter months, the sun disappears below the horizon, plunging the region into darkness. The temperatures can drop to incredibly low levels, testing the limits of life. Despite the harsh conditions, life thrives in the Arctic. A unique ecosystem exists beneath the ice, supporting a variety of organisms. These organisms form the base of the food web, providing sustenance for larger animals, including the polar bear. The Arctic is also home to a diverse array of wildlife, including seals, walruses, Arctic foxes, and various bird species. These animals have all adapted to survive in this challenging environment. They're interconnected in a complex web of life, with the polar bear at the top of the food chain. The polar bear is a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Its thick fur and powerful paws are designed for life on ice and snow. The dense fur provides insulation, trapping warm air close to the body. It's also water repellent, keeping the bear dry after swimming. Beneath the fur, a thick layer of blubber insulates and stores energy. This blubber helps the bear stay warm and provides energy during food scarcity. The large padded paws offer excellent traction on ice and snow. Sharp claws help grip the ice and capture prey, making the polar bear a formidable predator. Section 6. A deep dive into survival polar bear adaptations. Beyond their physical attributes, polar bears possess a range of physiological adaptations for Arctic survival. One key adaptation is their ability to conserve energy. They have a low metabolic rate, crucial during food scarcity. Their circulatory system minimizes heat loss. A countercurrent heat exchange system in their limbs helps maintain body temperature. Their keen sense of smell detects prey from a distance. This is essential for locating breathing holes and tracking seals. Their digestive system efficiently processes high-fat diets. These adaptations are crucial for survival in a harsh environment. The plight of the polar bear conservation challenges. The polar bear's future is inextricably linked to the fate of the Arctic sea ice. The continued decline in sea ice poses a significant threat to their survival, making conservation efforts more critical than ever. Addressing the root causes of climate change is paramount to protecting this iconic species and its fragile habitat. Protecting polar bear populations requires a multifaceted approach. International cooperation is essential to implement effective conservation strategies. This includes reducing greenhouse gas emissions, the primary driver of climate change, through global agreements and national policies. Protecting critical polar bear habitat is also crucial. This involves establishing protected areas and implementing measures to minimize human impact on their environment. Reducing pollution and other stresses on the Arctic ecosystem is also essential for their long-term survival. Supporting research and monitoring programs is vital for understanding polar bear populations and the impacts of climate change. This information is essential for developing effective conservation strategies and adapting to the changing Arctic environment. Continued research helps us understand the challenges and develop solutions. Ensuring the survival of polar bears. The future of the polar bear rests in our hands. By addressing climate change and supporting conservation, we can protect this magnificent creature. Reducing our carbon footprint is crucial. Make conscious choices to reduce energy consumption and support renewable sources. Advocate for policies that promote sustainability. Every action, no matter how small, contributes. Support conservation organizations working to protect polar bears. Spread awareness about the plight of the polar bear. The polar bear is a symbol of the Arctic, a reminder of our interconnectedness. Let us act now to protect this iconic species and its fragile home.